everyone. I welcome you all to the KMPS online class and this is your English class. So today I am going to start with chapter number 10, that is Tom Paints the Fence. Now Tom by name you can know that it's a character, it's a name of a boy. Paints means it was his work to paint what? The fence. So what is a fence? This question may be coming in your mind. Fence means like as a gate is being given here out of the house. So there is a fence also like boundary. इसको कहते हैं हम boundary जो आपके कहाँ पर होती है in the garden. So it is a boundary which is made of wooden thing. Okay. So that here it's very high. वो यहाँ पर ऊंची है. Here I have just shown a picture here. So it's just a boundary of wooden thing. So that area can be covered. Now Tom's punishment was that he was a very mischievous boy. So his aunt was Aunt Polly was always very upset from him because most of the time he is found fighting with the boys and his clothes were dirty. So his punishment was given by Aunt Polly that you have to paint the fence, and these fences were not so small and these were very huge, big, 9 feet high, and there were many fences there. So Tom has to paint that. It was his punishment. But as you know that he was a very mischievous boy and that it was a Saturday, so he did not want to spoil that Saturday. He wants that every day should be very fun loving. So he wanted something funny and he wanted to be sorrow. मतलब दूसरे के लिए sorrow हो and he want fun from that part. So he thinks he saw that fence. He thought this fence would take the whole day, the whole Saturday. So he did not want that. So now he decided that I will pursue to the people so that they can just paint the fence and he will enjoy there and he will take rest. So first the person who came there was Jim. He was coming here with a bucket and he just was going down to just fill and fetch water from that town pump. Now Tom said to him that I will fetch water, as Tom did not like that work, but now he is liking it more than painting the fence. So he said that I will fetch the water, but you have to paint my fence. Then Jim said, no, I know Aunt Polly and she will scold me. Then after again he requested him that you have to paint this fence and I will give you a white marble. As Tim was ready to paint, this Aunt Polly just put and threw the sleeper, her sleeper on Jim, and Jim just ran out. He just ran away that if I will stay here, Aunt Polly will beat him or scold him. Then after another person came, that was your Ben Rogers. Now Ben Rogers was munching an apple. He was eating an apple and Tom just saw that apple and he wanted to have it. Now he again thought if I will request him this Ben, so he would not paint. So he just started showing that I just love this work and I'm working here. And Ben just came here and he said, Ki, you are working. Are this work, you like it? You like this work? So Ben said, no. And what's the problem with it? It's a work, so I'm doing. And he said, Ki, this work should be done very carefully and otherwise Aunt Polly will not like it. Then as we can say, he was impressing Ben so that he can just do it. So he has done that. And Ben said, Ki, I would love to paint it. Please give me the chance to paint it. Then again, this person, Tom, wanted Ben to paint, but he was not showing that. He reluctantly gave the brush that you can paint it. And in return, Ben said, Ki, you can have my apple. Now, this Tom was sitting very relaxingly and he was just having that apple and Ben was just painting it in the sun and he was sweating. Then after, as Ben has completed, another third person came there and that was Billy Fisher. He also done that. Then next came person was Johnny Miller. Now one by one, R&R, the other person was coming there and few of the boys were also came there and they also said that they wanted to paint the fence. Now Tom said that okay, you can paint it, but in return some of the other things they have given to Tom. Now the Tom who was poor in the beginning or in the morning now has been known as a wealthy boy because some of the other things has been given to him. इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें उसके पास हो गई थी कि he was just collecting everything, that I have marbles, I have a tin soldier. Tin soldier means plastic का soldier आता, that one. A kitten with one eye, okay, and tadpoles. तो everything he was counting, उसके पास इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ हो गई थी कि he was just having it, and a dead rat with a swing, जिसको वो swing करा सकता है. That was been offered by Billy Fisher. ये सारी चीज़ें सबने उसको दिया था, ठीक है. So he was thinking, and in the last he thought that human behavior is like that, कि if we will show the work that it's easy, so nobody will attract towards it, nobody will come to help you. But as you will show that that work is difficult in a way, so everybody will try to do it, to achieve it, that yes, I can do it. So that is a human nature which we have to show. So with this story we can see that Tom was very intelligent and a very mischievous boy who just don't want to work himself. He just want others to work, and he wanted to be a relaxed person, and through it he collected so many things. Okay, so don't be like Tom. Do your work by yourself, and human behavior is if you will help others, others will also help you. ये भी एक thought है, so remember that. Okay, thank you.